Dive into the vibrant world of affiliate marketing, a realm where passion meets profit. Start by pinpointing your niche. What ignites your curiosity? Is it fashion, technology, or perhaps wellness? Selecting a niche that resonates with your expertise is pivotal. Once your niche is defined, scout for affiliate programs that not only promise appealing commissions, but also hold relevance to your chosen field. Now focus on cultivating your audience. Quality content is key, whether it's through insightful blog posts, dynamic videos, or compelling social media updates. Establish yourself as a go-to resource in your niche. This not only attracts viewers, but also builds a community around your insights. Choosing the right affiliate programs is crucial. Opt for those with a solid reputation and products that genuinely benefit your audience. And remember, negotiation is your ally. Don't shy away from discussing better commission rates. Promotion must be strategic and genuine. Integrate affiliate links seamlessly into your content. Whether you're reviewing a product or offering a tutorial, keep your promotions organic and your approach honest. Don't forget the importance of tracking and optimizing your efforts. Utilize analytics tools to monitor what works and refine your strategies accordingly. This continuous improvement will help maximize your impact and earnings. In essence, affiliate marketing is not just about selling. It's about creating value and building trust. Stay dedicated, be patient, and watch as your efforts blossom into financial success. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, persistence and authenticity are your best currencies.